Hi, my name is Dr. Jessica Black, and I practice with my husband, Dr. Jason Black. We own a family healing center in McMinnville, Oregon and Portland, Oregon. We specialize in natural health care for pediatrics, women's medicine, and pain management. My approach to women's health is really looking at what their symptoms are. Do they need to be treated? Do we need to treat them with herbs? Do we need to treat them with supplements? Or do we need to get into using something like the Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, which can be really effective at some of the menopausal symptoms or anti-aging. We can improve people's quality of life. We can improve people's mood if they're suffering from depression or anxiety. As soon as we kind of get people back into their regular bouts of hormones, they feel much better. I think that we really excel in helping people change their diet and lifestyles, and we talk to a lot of people about using an anti-inflammatory diet. I've written a couple books on the anti-inflammatory diet. One was published in 2006, and then the second book was published in 2012. I also wrote Living with Crohn's and Colitis book that talks a lot about the gastrointestinal tract. Even if people didn't have Crohn's and colitis, it's an excellent guide to kind of improving the whole gastrointestinal tract, which we think is the center to health and the center to how you're going to respond to treatments at our office as well. And we also treat a lot of pediatric conditions. I think we excel at pediatrics. We can treat asthma and get children off their inhalers, and we can work with gastrointestinal illnesses. We do see some children with ADD, ADHD, and autism. We use specialized plant extracts, and so what occurs is we get intracellular drainage. So when we start draining cells of their toxins, then they actually start to function better. So over time, when cells die and replicate, then they're gonna replicate a healthier cell. We have an integrative, team-oriented approach. We have many physicians on staff. So for example, Dr. Jason Black will see a lot of the pain patients, and he might not do so much of the lifestyle counseling, but then he'll send them to one of us who will really talk to them about their diets or making sure that we're reducing inflammation and working towards that. Well, then he can do the specialized treatments for them. So it works really well.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Black. I'm a naturopathic physician at a family healing center, and I specialize in chronic pain management. At our clinic, we are a holistic facility that practices on integrative care. So within pain management, we look at supporting all aspects of the body. So a big focus is looking at your nervous system and making sure the nervous system is functioning right, as well as managing your pain. We have some specialized procedures that we use at our office. We use something called neurotherapy, which is a European technique that really has a great impact on balancing the nervous system. So when patients have chronic pain, a lot of times they are going to be stuck in more of a fight or flight or survival mode. Neurotherapy allows us to treat quickly and actually get that nervous system calmed down so we can actually have faster healing results. In addition to neurotherapy, we do Prolotherapy, which has been around for 50+ years. Orthopedists have used it quite extensively. It's really good interventional technique that actually causes regeneration of tissue. We're getting into doing more biological treatments using PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma injections, which actually have a huge impact on actually regenerating ligaments, tendons, chronic disorders that maybe have gone left untreated and have only been managed with pain medications. We work a lot with patients that come in or they're on high-dosed opiates that have been managed and that want to get off, and we have very specific techniques that actually can help either decrease the dose and actually eventually get them fully off their opiates. What I want patients to know is that they can come to our office and that we can help them whether they have a little bit of pain, sprained ankle, if they're dealing with a severe condition where they may have like a traumatic brain injury, or they've been dealing with chronic pain for 30+ years and are on 7 different types of medications. My goal is to give people a better quality of life, and I think that people are wanting a different answer, and I feel like we are able to provide that different approach that a lot of people are looking for.
If you would like to know more or schedule a free 15-minute consultation, please look at our website at afamilyhealingcenter.com or give us a call at 503-241-5007 for the Portland office or 503-883-0333 for the McMinnville office.